Predictions are that mortgage rates should come down a bit, but don't expect the return of 3% rates. Instead, budget for rates likely in the mid sixes by the end of this year. It's Friday, January 10th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Home prices will likely keep rising, just not as fast as last year. On average, experts are saying they'll go up about 3% this year, a much more normal, sustainable pace. New listings to go live over the past week rose to 1,298. This report. Coming soon inventory has started to rise again to 864 this report. 398 homes went under contract this past week in 30 days. 487 homes sold this past week in 19 days at 99.2% list to sold ratio. Rentals rose to 2,736 for lease at $2,500 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, January 10th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.